To set up a standard integration with Microsoft Entra ID, log into your admin profile, then go to your company page in HiHello. Under User Management, click Connect. Find the connection for Entra ID and click Connect again. Lastly, choose the standard integration and click Connect one more time. Next, in your Microsoft Entra ID instance, have an admin sign in and grant the requested read-only permissions for HiHello. We recommend choosing the option to stay signed in for the best customer experience. Congratulations! Your HiHello account is now connected to Microsoft Entra ID. Next, go to your Templates page. Select a template that you would like to connect to your directory, click the Edit button in the top right corner, and then click the toggle in the top right corner to connect this template to your directory. Now that Entra ID is connected to your template, you can go to any of the tabs in the editing process and select exactly which items should sync or not sync from your Microsoft Entra ID account. Once you are finished editing all of the items on your template, click Save in the lower right. Back in your Microsoft Entra ID Admin Center, you can select which groups and users you would like to connect to HiHello. To manage your groups, go to the Groups page. Then you can either select an existing group, or you can create a new group. Once your groups are organized and the correct users are in your security groups, you can go back to your template in HiHello. Go to the Settings tab, scroll down, and search for the group that you would like to connect with your template. You can attach multiple groups to the same template in HiHello to issue cards to all of the users in those groups. When you're finished selecting groups, click Save in the lower right. If you go back to the Cards tab of your template, you will now see all of the cards that you've automatically created through your Entra ID integration.